Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV, baby. I am your host with the most, baby. I am the motivator. I am the educator. I am the options trader, baby. This is your host, the money coach, baby. Okay. Now let's get into it. This is your AMC call options update, baby. Okay. Your boy be making some AMC calls. Okay. Did good last week. The week before was a little rough for us on AMC. Okay, they brought us down. But this week we grinding strong, baby, and hitting long. Okay. I got me some $20 calls. Okay. Now these are some call options that I placed I placed these last week, and I don't think AMC might hit the $20 this week, just being honest, okay? But so these options, calls, I plan on, selling and get my money before the end of Friday, okay? Well, actually, they expires on the 12th, so I got time, baby, okay? That's the good thing about this option contract expires on the 12th, and I got two contracts for AMC at $20 call. Okay, now let's get into the options trading of the day, baby. Okay, off with this call option for AMC, a $20 call option expiring on the 12th. Was that like $3 starting off somewhere? Okay, then it dropped down to 40 around 9:55. You had that first little drop. Okay, then a little psych bounce. I call it a little psych bounce where it's going to and drop back down again. So right now you could have got this contract. To me, like the best timing and the best price contract would have been $38. Okay, now if you was on a day flip and you want to day flip this contract, excuse me, you would have the best price would have been to get it at $38 around 1040. 1040, you still would have been good. Somewhere around there for $38, baby, okay? And the best time to sell this contract, if you wanted to do it, buy it and sell it in one day, it would have been around 59, okay? So that's a $20 profit within 2 hours, okay? And it closed at 48, okay? I got two contracts, all right? And right now they worth $96, okay? Combined, this contract went up 33.33% today, baby, with AMC doing this thing, okay? And I like the way it's slow grinding and pounding and, doing a little wiggly thing to the side and then bounce on up. Little wiggly to the side, bounce on up, baby, okay? That's what I like. It's moving real strong and looking real good, okay? Contract, okay? Now for the week, if you'd got this contract, the best price for the week would have been like $12. I think I seen. Yep, 10. Oh, would have got it for a 10 piece. I think I said somewhere. I seen a 10 piece. But for at least $12, boy, you could have got this contract as many of them things for about $12. Right there on February the 23rd. $12. You got some fat fingers. So excuse my fingers if they don't get in the 12 section. 9:40 on the 23rd, baby, it would have been the best time. Bam, you could have bought so many of them things. Then you could have sold it. The best time would have been when it jumped up there at 157 on the 25th. That 9:30 a.m. popped it. Okay, and I'm doing this to get myself a better known and better view of the options on when to buy them and how to buy them and how they roll and float. Now I know AMC is a hype stock right now, baby, okay? AMC shouldn't be up this high, but it is right now, so I'm riding the wave, okay? I told you got to ride the wave sometimes, so I'm riding the wave on this. This is your AMC update with the options trader, baby, the money coach. All right. So remember, hit that like button and subscribe. You got Weevil link down below. You go ahead, deposit $100, get you some free stocks up in there. Okay. It might even be a Robinhood for the hood down there for you. Okay. You want to get into cryptocurrency? You got your Coinbase down there. If you want to look into some deep trading view, baby, go ahead and get you a trader view. That's what I use to look at my charts, baby. Trading view. Okay. Got all kind of links down there for you, baby. So be blessed to invest in yourself with the AMC update.